Hello and welcome back to CycleFab. I'm Larry. This week's video is going to be about diffusers. Diffusers for the Eastwood and the Harbor Freight powder coat gun. And the reason why I'm doing this video is, well, I need to stockpile on some diffusers. I make these here in the shop and I sell them on eBay, and I kind of do my marketing through YouTube, and it works well. Anyway, I'm low on inventory, so I'm going to make some diffusers, and I'm inviting you guys to come along and see how I do it. The first thing I do, I start off with a 6-foot piece of 1/2-inch aluminum, 6061, and then I throw it here on the bandsaw and cut it off in 1/8 sections, and that's what I'm going to do now. And then from there, other processes will ensue. It's not so much a pain in the butt to make these as much as it used to be, because I've learned a lot of quick and easy ways to do it, or easier ways to do it. But anyway, it's still a process, and it takes time, and it takes time away from my other business and my YouTube channel. So anyway, I'm kind of merging the two together right now. So please stick around, watch, hope you enjoy, get some entertainment out of it, maybe some knowledge. And please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and hit that notification bell too while you're at it, so you know when my next videos are coming out. Now next week, I plan on getting back on the Suzuki GS550. Oh yeah, by the way, here's the diffusers. This is what I call the column. And this is what I call the diffuser right there. I'll give you all a better close-up of it. Anyway, come with me and let's make some. Wow, that was a neat little video montage. That's really the only way I could explain a couple of questions that I've been asked in the past, like, you know, how do I cut this or how do I cut that? And it's kind of difficult to explain over the phone to somebody who really doesn't understand machining, none whatsoever, until they see it done. So that's one of the reasons why I made this video like I did. The other one, I'm just running short on time. I've got so much going on in this shop right now, and running low on diffusers, it's a good thing, but you know, I gotta resupply, so it takes time, a lot of time. These things are really tedious to make when it comes down to the finishing length and the center drilling and the drilling and making sure they fit on the mandrel, or I'm sorry, not mandrel, electrode, the end of the Eastwood right here. You can see it without the column or the tube around it. I haven't made those yet, but yeah, that's no big deal. This is the heart of it. I mean, the diffuser that makes this gun work more efficiently. Also for the Harbor Freight, the same thing. I mean, they look the same. Well, they are the same on the outside dimensions. The ID, you know, of course, that's different because the electrode's a different size. Anyway, that's the main reason why, or main two reasons why I made this video for you guys. And when I get done with them, which, trust me, these will be done shortly, I'm going to get back on the GS550, which will be next week's video. Well, I want to get that motor done. I want to get it running bad, very badly. So that's what I'm going to be concentrating on, is getting that motor running. And I'm just going to film a bunch of it, talk a little bit during, you know, how it works, how it goes back together and everything else, and hopefully firing it up. Say, I really appreciate you guys coming in. I just hit 3,000 subscribers. Well, not just hit, a few days ago, and I'm up to almost 3,100 now. So, hey, thank you guys. I really appreciate that. Links for these diffusers are down below in the description area. Please go down there, check them out. It'll take you to my eBay store, and you can get some if you want some. They really do improve the efficiency on these guns. I'd say over the few hundred that I had made and sold, I've gotten one complaint, and ironically that was 2 days ago, so, which was weird anyway. Yeah, they really improved the gun. You can go back and look at my powder coating videos on, you know, me designing this thing. There's a whole video series on it, and check it out right over here to the side. Click on that and you can watch my powder coat videos along with my diffuser videos where I am designing this thing and then get the bright idea to offer it to you guys. And it's been a very good go, and I like to see it climb, which it is. So anyway, thank you for that. Anyway, like I said, for the Harbor Freight also, and there's a few other accessories that go along with them, like a fan nozzle. So please check it out. Check out my eBay store down there in the links down below in the description area. And I will see you guys next Sunday. Bye. Take care. Have a good one.